silver lining about what happened post-Katrina was that they restored the building to its original splendor, took away all of that nasty Cold War fallout shelter stuff that they did, which really just
try to be modern, but not really.
Covered up all the artwork, all the architectural, detail, and it was. I had no idea how beautiful that building was until they restored it. I mean, there's 6 different kinds of imported marble in the building.
Right.
The railings are all original. They're these brass railings. They're just gorgeous, and it's got these friezes, these frescoes on the walls that are Enrique Alvarez, who was a famous artist who painted all of these frescoes, and 6 of the 7 are original. One of them got damaged or lost during Katrina, but it got restored. There's a replica there now, and they're just beautiful. They're frescoes of different locations around the world. And if you look on the floor, there's a compass rose that points to the cardinal direction of, say, Beijing, and to the east. It tells you the distance in kilometers. And then if you look up, there's a frieze of the Far East,
Cool.
So it's super cool.
Yeah. It's like a little mini museum.
It really is. It really is. So if you come to New Orleans, and there's a great restaurant there called Messina's.
Right.
They play 50s kind of music, and it just feels like you're taking a step back in time.
Straight up aviation hub, because you could look out the window, see airplanes pass by. It's just it's just made. It's like a playground for people that are into aviation.